Hi, today I'm going to make this really cute little basket for Roli and Chawal. So I've got these little potlies that you can just put it inside. Like this. Materials required are a golden cord, a thick flexible wire, satin ribbons in green and peach. This is a lace that you get of pearls, a thick paper in blue, slightly stiff sheet, and this is foam sheet in glitter. I've cut this strip from the blue ordinary paper. So this is about 12.5 centimeters long and 3 centimeters wide, and then I've drawn a line on it which is about 0.75 of a centimeter wide. So this area you're left with 2.25, and then I've also cut a circle with the diameter of about 3.5 centimeters. Now just take this strip. So this depends on how high you want the box to be. Now just cut out triangles till this line. Like this. So I'll just cut the entire strip. Now just score along this line. With a paper knife, and then just fold this. So this just, it makes it easier to fold these triangles. Like this. Apply glue. Take this circle. And then just slide these triangles below it and stick it. Apply a little more glue on the edge. Bring it round and stick it. You just have to hold it for a while till it sticks. So this is how it will look. Now just apply some more glue on the base. If there are any flaps open like here. Now cut another circle the same size, so this I'll stick. Like so. Now I measured the height and the length of the box and cut out a foam sheet. So I'll just apply glue on this and stick it. Like this. Now from the lace, the pearl lace, first just measure the height. So this comes to around four strands, like so, and then take it around so you come to know the length. I'll just cut this much. So you can use any lace that you like, not necessary this, like so. Just see if it fits. Slightly long. Just apply glue. Either you can apply glue on the paper, just stick it like this. Like so. Now take the golden cord, just apply glue on the top line, just on top of the foam and paper. And I'll just stick this cord on it. Like this. This is how it will look, and I've made another one in the same manner. Now just cut a strip from the foam sheet, it's fairly thin, and take the wire. Now this is a rubber adhesive, rubber based adhesive, so I'll just apply it on this. Just wind it on the wire. After a point, just roll the wire so that you can wind it on this. Like this. After this has dried, now just take the golden cord again, and I'm going to wind it at a distance on this. So just apply some glue on one end. Now wind it like this. and then stick the other end. So this is how the cord would look. Now just take any round object and put it in the center of the wire and just fold it, bringing the edges together. So this is what it looks like. Just bring them together. Just hold it till it takes the shape. Now I'm just going to put this in the middle of these. So stick it like this and this will come here. So I'm going to stick it like this. Now I'll let this dry. So now I've just cut a piece from the peach colored ribbon. I'm just going to make a rose. So like so. And then just stick this bit. To the base of the rose. Like so. So I'll just let it dry. I've made two like these. Now take the green ribbon and just fold it. So I'll just apply glue. Stick it like this. So this will form the leaf. So I've made 3 of these and 2 of these roses. I'm just going to stick them in the center here. So just take some glue. First I'll stick one leaf here. And similarly, I'll stick the other leaf on the side. One leaf can come here. And then I'll stick the flowers on top. And this is how it's going to look after it's finished. A very cute little basket for Roli and Chawal.